بدوتات أيام تشوفين بيها أورجي روبو وقت أورجي روبان جرتو روبين جرو جدا لكن فول نماد رد فوين ما
أردا نجا نجا ليبان نجا ليبان قول بديدي نجا تولا سالا نجا لادو شاني نجا يابال غربي نجا سو دبوك نجا دوبلك دري نجا مويال قول بديدي نجا أريرو غورو نجا غورون أوروموتي
بلتيغنا سديتي في أولك أبان قدامي يقولون دندم.
We are the source of all this democracy. Gada has got culture and it has got its own norms and its own ethics.
جلتي قدا تادورا جي أرفاسا قدان بالي فقط.
In summer or in winter, the first gadas or the first ceremony of the Gada ceremony, they take what is called bandis. I mean, this is the power exchange or power transmission from one person to the other. This one who has taken this transition or who has taken this power can rule for 8 consecutive years. Whatever knowledge he has, whoever he is, no one is above the law. He cannot rule beyond 8 years. At the end of 8 years, he has to transfer that power or the system to the newcomers. There is a person called Liban Wata who is very knowledgeable, very wise. He was a person. This Liban is really a sort of a miraculous man. All people like him with wisdom, because of his wisdom and everything. He even didn't rule beyond 8 years.
Democracy فرنجي لما تفوتش المسجد تتوانين براجع تبيتو.
This democracy. We are the source of all these democracies to teach the foreigners even the white people, he says.
When akisirna gada democracy demu dira amma lengirtu. Ado democracy deru kese irregira karena kamotumma adunya kunda irregira iba urikegira umbenda.
Now from Gada we transfer to the universe. That means to the stars and to the moon.
Bekomsi Oromo Buddha tokko armaolegi.
So one of the Oromo wisdom is about, that is about the stars and so on.
Bekomsi warna sulle kunnamti jiafurti wal kunnamti jaledintele.
Those people, those knowledgeable people, those wise people, they know about the stars and they know about the moon.
Kunimmo element.
This is called it art.
Makani si hajattu ayatun jettu male lofti tuni kunnamti hujjiti kunnamti jiatti.
So the spiritual people call it art. This art means they have got a connection. These spiritual people have the connection between the stars and themselves.
Ji kun wanni ni au kun wanni ji akunna mukuni urdi gidda bi turba tare van sene jettan hayyarat karatu tok tok konji kunna.
So when I say these 27 ayanas, all the 27 stars, they have a connection also with the moon.
أكم كنا تزيدان ورجين توني ديم سجيا كوني داندي أفرق أبجي داندي نرجع يوكان أكوكتين تجيلم كوني تسوتيزا داندي أفرق رمولتي.
This moon has got 4 ways that it travels according to the position, maybe the movement of, according to the movement or the oscillation of the earth. It has got 4 ways. It has got 4 different ways in which it appears and in which it goes, and so on and so forth. So all these ways are conducted or changing or directed by these stars. The Ayantus or the spiritual people knew about these 2 things.
Wanni lamaan isii waliin beektu baatiin tuni erga baate hagame bultu mee fakkeenyaa jennu 12 bultaa jennu.
These spiritual people, they watch the moon and they say they are counting the days. For example, we say, since the new moon is appeared, it is 12 days.
Dii kun kaarri guyyaa 12 bule. Inni urjitamiin qunname. Urjitam jettu amma.
This moon, after 12 days, with which star had a connection, or that speaks, I mean, it has a connection, but every 27 days it has a connection with different moon, different stars. On these 12 days, with which moon had a connection with it?
Qunnamtiin isaa urjitam walii yoo jettee urjii argaadima inni akkan 12 bulee argaadin qunname waan inni qunname fayyaantichi laftaa'uun beeka.
So the Ayantus, or these spiritual people, being here, they know if on the 12th day the star of Al-Gajima had a connection with it. They know why it had a connection with that star.
Yonni ammoo sorsi qunname waan inni sorsi qunname sun akkum sun qunnamtiisaa sun laaltee bulteenaatti sorsi qunname waan inni qunnameef waan kana jettee hiitte lafteetti.
If these spiritual people being here see on the 12th day that it has a connection with Sorsa or with Cyrus, they know it, why it has a connection with it. They can interpret it, they can decipher it through their knowledge.
Urjii 27 maqaa 27 qabdi. Algaatimaa sorsa qofaa miti wallaa jira, basaa jira, gidaadaa jira, areerii jira, adulaa jira. Hundayyuu waggaa tokko isa tuddaanuun qunnamanni.
So these 27 starts at 27 different days, such as Cyrus, Basa, Al-Gajima, Sonsa, and so on and so on, Walla, and so on and so on. So throughout the year, throughout these 365 or 66 days, it has a connection in every 27 days. The moon and the stars have a connection among themselves in each day.
Ayyaantichi kun immoo biyyumaa nama harkaa qaamuu isa biyyitan itti isa waan hundi fi dubbatti caqasa halkamiyyuu rafu.
These Ayantus, these spiritual people, they don't sleep during the night. They watch it, they read it. When it twinkles, they can decipher it, they can sense it, and they read it, and they pass to the people.
Yoo biin jirre yoo uumii qabatu taate ayyaantichi kun hin beeka urjii rooba wakkatti urjii roobaan jirtu roobin jiru jedha rakkinni fuul nama dura dhufu hin hima.
So for example, if there is no rain in this season, these Ayyantus or these spiritual people watching the moon and the star connection, they can say that this year there is no rain, or they can, if there is rain, they say this year has rain. They can redact it, they can tell the people.
Yomo robi jirate, full namadu ufi jirate, nagende jirate akusuni ma imbekan.
If there is a lot of rain, or if there is plenty of grain, this harvest is coming, they can read it from the connection of the moon and the star, and they can tell to the people.
Yodo kubila fatu jirate le urjirat imbekan.
If certain catastrophes or certain diseases is coming or going to happen, they can react it, they can read it, and they can tell it to their people so that they can prepare for it.
Yo ille sihamani biyaballesu kaduftat le urjininti.
If there is a sort of tornadoes or a sort of avalanche or high wind is going to happen, they can sense, they can read, they can tell their people so that they can be prepared for it.
Yo balan tukube warani banamena min kawarballe start le urjininti.
Even they can read from their star if there is war and if there is something great is going to happen, and they can tell the people.
Yo namisi be kudaba male urji be rawan dabamneyu.
If we miss our wisdom people, or if we miss our spiritual people, we cannot get it. Otherwise, there is everything that you can read as a book from the start.
Muda